Have you ever wondered how electricity generated hundreds of kilometers away reaches your home without interruption? Behind this massive network are power transmission companies like Sterlite Grid 5 Limited. In today's video, we'll explore what Sterlite Grid 5 does, how it earns revenue, why it's important for India's power sector, and why investors are interested in its unlisted shares. Sterlite Grid 5 Limited is a special purpose vehicle (SPV) established to own, operate, and maintain power transmission assets. The company is involved in transmitting electricity from power generation stations to state electricity boards, distribution companies, and industrial consumers. Unlike power generation companies, Sterlite Grid 5 does not produce electricity. Instead, it builds and operates the infrastructure that carries electricity across long distances. Think of it as a highway for electricity. Its main business includes construction of extra high voltage transmission lines, operation and maintenance of transmission assets, managing substations, ensuring uninterrupted electricity transmission, supporting renewable energy evacuation, grid reliability and modernization. Its assets help transport electricity safely and efficiently across different regions. Sterlite Grid 5 follows an infrastructure-based business model. Instead of selling electricity, the company earns revenue through long-term transmission service agreements. These agreements generally extend over many years, providing predictable cash flows. Revenue is linked to the availability and performance of transmission assets. This makes the business relatively stable compared to sectors with fluctuating demand. India's electricity demand is growing every year because of urbanization, industrial development, electric vehicles, data centers, renewable energy projects. Power generated from solar parks, wind farms, and hydro stations must be transmitted to cities and industries. Companies like Sterlite Grid 5 make this possible. Without transmission infrastructure, electricity cannot reach consumers. Sterlite Grid 5 contributes by strengthening India's national power grid, supporting renewable energy integration, improving transmission efficiency, reducing transmission losses, building reliable power infrastructure. It plays a critical role in ensuring uninterrupted electricity supply. Some reasons investors monitor infrastructure companies like Sterlite Grid 5 include stable infrastructure business, long-term revenue contracts, growing electricity demand in India, government focus on power infrastructure, expansion of renewable energy, essential utility sector with long life assets. However, investment decisions should always be based on detailed research, financial performance, valuation, and individual risk tolerance. India plans significant investments in green energy, transmission corridors, smart grids, renewable energy integration, national power infrastructure. As electricity demand continues to increase, transmission companies may benefit from higher infrastructure requirements. Sterlite Grid 5 may not be a well-known consumer brand, but it performs one of the most important functions in India's power sector, moving electricity safely and efficiently across the country. Its infrastructure supports industries, businesses, renewable energy projects, and millions of homes every day. If you enjoy learning about unlisted companies and pre-IPO investment opportunities, subscribe to Mira Associates for more informative videos.